Hi everyone, I'm Rose Wong. Today I would like to share with you a way to make professional cover page for your presentation. It is applicable to nearly all types of presentation, and what you need to do is just change the background picture and front color. If you're interested in it, let's start right now. First of all, we need to insert the picture as the background. When you're choosing the picture, please bear two conditions in mind. Firstly, it needs to be related to the topic you are going to present. Say you are analyzing the Hong Kong real estate market. You may want to choose a picture of Hong Kong with some flats. Secondly, it should be a high-resolution picture. You have to make sure it looks good on a larger screen. Well, you may wonder where I could find these pictures. Here are two suggestions. First of all, you could go for iSlide. It's a PowerPoint add-in which has so many functions, including free pictures. And the second one will be Pixabay. These two will provide you with royalty-free pictures, and they are free. The second step is to insert a rectangle. The height of it should be 1/3 of the slide and the width should be 2/3. We then fill in with white and there should be no outline. Remember to adjust the transparency level to 20% as well. Lastly, we send it backwards so the text will be above the rectangle. After moving the text above the rectangle, we change the text format. The font I use here is Microsoft Zhenhe, and actually other font types like Arial will do as well. For the font color, please choose the one similar to the background picture. You could use the eyedropper function to select the colors on the picture. In terms of font size, you could change the headings to 30. Alternatively, if you have a subheading, you can enlarge the heading a bit to 40 and make the heading 20. The date and speaker will be 15 and 12 respectively. We could also add some variation here by filling the text box of the date with a darker color and change the front colors to white. Of course, if you want to emphasize the speaker, you could swap the speaker and the date as well. Step 4. Changing the positions of these elements. We should first group items with similar content together. For instance, the heading and subheading should be closer to each other, so do the date and speaker. Then we could add a vertical guide to help us with the modifications. We first select all the text boxes, align them to the left, and make sure the first words of each text box is aligned with the vertical guide. Lastly, we use Ctrl+G to group all the items and align them to the middle of the slide. That's the end of my sharing. Thank you for watching it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I will be very grateful if you could like it and subscribe my channel as well.